Okay, so for this we can see we have a bunch of derived ratios on the left hand side. So let's just start working with those. So this is going to be sine x divided by cosine x plus cosine x divided by sine x minus 1 over cosine x multiplied by 1 over sine x. Alright, let's see what that gives us. Okay, so this is on this side here. Let's go ahead and do a cross product right here, cross right here, and then we're going to multiply left to right on that one. So let's go ahead, sine squared x plus cosine squared x divided by cosine x sine x, and then we have minus 1 over cosine x sine x. Okay, so sine squared x plus cosine squared x, that is going to give us 1 over cosine x sine x minus 1 over cosine x sine x. This is going to be equal to 0. So this is going to be how to prove it.